And hello there, Gundam fans and folks. This is Mixer Wars, and welcome to an episode of Mixer Wars Unboxings. And right now, what I have here is one of the premium card collections for the Gundam card game, as well as the Gundam Assemble set. This is actually the first one. We have the PC01A premium card collection Gundam Assemble set for the Iron-Blooded Orphans. And yes, as you can see in the box art, we have the four of the premium cards there. We have Orga, we have the fourth form of Barbatos, Greys, and I think the mobile workers. And it also reflects on the minis wherein we have the Barbatos fourth form there, a Greys unit, and of course the mobile workers. Right, so that's what it is in the box art. Off to the side is just this one. Oh yeah, here you go, premium card collection assemble set. And the same thing around here, but on the back it is, of course, this is the Japanese version. It tells you that you will have these cards as a premium and a special card, and this is more of like a sneak preview for the Gundam Assemble, wherein yes, it is a miniature. You can build it and yeah, paint it on your own. Now let's see and open what's inside this glorious box. Alright, just being careful here. Alright, and opening up and seeing what's inside the box, of course, we have here the screws for the Gundam Assemble set. So those are 3 units. We have the Gundam Barbatos, fourth form, a Grace, and of course the mobile workers. That's what it is here. And we have here the premium cards. Alright, over here. There it is. So as you can see, it's the Barbatos. Let's see and open up and see what's inside this premium card set. And yes, I got the Japanese version. There should be an American version or an English version here. So it is. We have your Barbatos, what form, couples of it, Grace. I'm not sure if this is McGillis's Grace. I think so. The mobile workers, Orga, and again the tokens for the mobile worker. Token for a Graze unit, and yeah, token for Barbatos. So those are the cards that comes with this one. Let's put them back together. Right now that we put it back together here, let's see what we have here. What is the card? Just being careful not to, damage the card inside. Surprise, surprise, what is the card? Oh, we have, what is this again? EX base laughter. Yes, we have the EX base laughter here. All right, so that's what we have inside the PC01A. So that's what it is inside. There you have it, Gundam fans and folks. That is what's inside the box of this premium card collection and Gundam Assemble set for the Iron-Blooded Orphans. And this is Mr. saying, if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like, viewing the video, sharing, commenting, and until next time, see you and thank you.